Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kajialang joko sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance ke belasong hak arterik mentau benai nopra arah kendai. Kala airu ya kajing menjor halor ke Meghalaya State Direct Selling Guidelines 2019. Kajing wanra banyakran ya kene kapang hak kene kajialang joko kanhun menteri. Kalong ru kat kum kajing betha da ke Ministry of Consumers Affairs. Banyada na kajing syathok syakor kinong thiet nong pet bat kiwede kibede bat kabhakamiat jong kinong song kari.
This is basically that the Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Government of India, had notified the guidelines on direct selling on the 26th of October 2016 as guiding principles for state governments to consider regulating the business of direct selling and multi-level marketing and to strengthen the existing regulatory mechanisms on direct selling and multi-level marketing. This was with an intention of preventing fraud and protecting legitimate rights of and interests of consumers. So this was discussed and the Cabinet has cleared the Meghalaya State Direct Selling Guidelines 2019.